Okay, so today I'm going to do how to bulk create social media posts in Canva using ChatGPT. So I'm going to open up ChatGPT, and this is the free version. And I'm going to say, I am a travel advisor. Please generate 52 travel tips, maybe for Travel Tip Tuesday, for social media post. So it's going to go ahead and start generating that. You could do things such as create a marketing plan for a travel advisor, selling Disney, create a social media plan, or you can generate captions. You can even create a business plan. All those ideas you can put in here and just narrow them down a little bit to be what exactly you want to do with your social media. So I'm going to highlight it all, click copy, and then you want to put it into a spreadsheet. So I'm going to use Google Sheets here and create a new, click up in the top, and then paste those 52 right here. So for this, I'm just creating this as a file, and I'm going to download this as a CSV right here. So this is the part that, this is how you get it into Canva. Now I'm going to open up Canva. I do have the paid version, but you can do it with the free version as well. I'm going to work on Instagram posts today for Travel Tip Tuesday. I'm going to find a template that I like. So let's go with something basic and just pick something like that. You can do Travel Tip Tuesday, something that you like with your colors. You can put your logo here. You can put your picture here. Just make sure you like it, because when you do a bulk create, it's going to have 52 of them. I'm going to bring that down a little bit. Oops. And then maybe put some of this, and then I'm going to upload my picture and my logo here. That way it's on every single one. Profile picture. Okay. Then I have another one that I've done before. So I have like my information here. I'm just going to copy this over. So it's a little faster, but you can change all of your fonts and things like that. I kind of like this like, comment, share button. Oops. Background. Or I could just make it all black. Something like that. So I would play with this a lot more before I go create it, but just as an idea here. Okay. So then what I want to do is get my travel tips in here somewhere. And I want it to be very basic, but I do want to put a lot of it in the caption, a lot of the information in the caption here. So what I'm going to do is bulk create now. So I want 52 of these with my travel tip right in here, everything else to kind of stay the same. So you're going to go to this little button right here that says apps and click on bulk create down here. And you're going to upload the CSV that you just created. So pick your file. Okay. And then it says connect the data to your elements. Right click an element in your page to connect it. So I want to put it right here. Right click, connect data, touch it, and then you can kind of move it down. And then what you want to do is hit continue over here on the left. And there's the rest of the 51 here. You have your 52 here. Generate 51 pages. So this is where the magic happens. You hit that button and it creates 52 pages. Okay, now when you actually go to post these, maybe you just download page 1 and then use that on Tuesday. And that was your work for the day. You're done now with your social media post. Maybe you want to download all 52 and you want to use a automated system to put it on every single Tuesday. Maybe you want to go into Meta, or you want to do social monials or Zoho Social or something like that, where everything's in there. Now, here's the other thing I want to show you real quick. So say I want to put this on Instagram. I'm just going to do one page for right now. So I'm going to download. It starts with all 51 pages. So I don't want to do that. I want to unclick that and maybe just do one page for just this moment. I'm going to work on downloading that, the JPEG. I'm sure if it'll do it PNG. Let me try one more time. JPEG. Not all 51, just one for today. Okay, so going to Instagram. I'm going to create this. Take that one. Okay. Now for my caption, I want to pack a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. Okay. So go back to my ChatGPT and say, create a social media post with hashtags for Instagram. Reword the caption. Social media caption maybe is what I want to write. Not reword the caption, but maybe provide more details about packing a reusable water bottle. Okay, let's try that and see what happens. So maybe even just this part. Do you have a favorite reusable, share your recommendations, travel tips, hydration on the go, and even just this caption right here. Maybe I don't want to do all this here. I'm going to go and just copy and paste things. Yeah, obviously get rid of the caption, hydration on the go. One of my top favorite travel tips, eco-friendly, game changer. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of that. And copy this one as well. Okay, and then I'm going to hit share. Okay, so I'm not sure exactly where I got lost on that before my computer just lost the connection. So basically I created the post and then I went into ChatGPT and I asked for more of a caption. So you'll see exactly what has popped up here. I'm going to close it. I'm going to open up my profile. Okay, so Travel Tip Tuesday, pack a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. And then it says hydration on the go. One of my top travel tips is to pack a reusable water bottle for your adventures. It's eco-friendly and a game changer during your trips. If you have a favorite reusable bottle for your travels, share your recommendations and some hashtags here. And I got that from ChatGPT over here, where I just pulled the top and the bottom and cleaned it up a little bit so that it doesn't say like, here's why, or caption. Okay, so that's where I started. And then I just went ahead and posted. And there you go. There is your post for the day.